Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This video is different from the general theme of my channel, which is GIS, Geographic Information Systems, and it relates to how to access the online resources of the University of Bonn. Let's imagine this scenario. You are outside. If you are inside the University of Bonn, you can access online journals, any electronic thing, resources that is inside the University of Bonn, or the University of Bonn is subscribed to, which is sometimes different between different institutes, among different institutes. But that's if I'm inside the University of Bonn, either at your office or the library or so. But what if you are outside the University of Bonn, at home or in a different country? What can you do? You can make a secure connection between you and the University of Bonn, and through this connection you can access all the resources you need. How to do that? First, I open here Google already, then I will search for VPN Uni Bonn, and the website will be here, VPN Hochschulzentrum Universität Bonn. Let me open this one. It's describing here what is VPN. VPN is Virtual Private Network, acronym Virtual Private Network. It's a general name for many programs that all of them have one purpose: to make secure connections between you and a certain server. And okay, let's open here the university. You can download one VPN or two VPN software through the university itself. It's open, VPN client software. Here you have two softwares. The one is from Cisco and the other one is from shrew.net. I prefer the one from Cisco. Here this one is the version, and here is some description. For example, my Windows is 64-bit, Windows 7. Then this one is better for me. I just click on it. I will be prompted to enter the username and password, exactly like the one that you have your email. The username for your email and the password for your email. You can enter it there, and then you will be able to download the software. Plus this one you will need to download the configuration data. You need two configuration data. One of them is the group Uni Bonn VPN, and the other one is the group Uni Bonn WLAN. WLAN means Wi-Fi. The second one applies if you are inside the University of Bonn anywhere and you would like to connect through a wireless connection, if you have of course a good signal. The first one you can do it whether you are inside or outside the University of Bonn, inside or outside Germany, anywhere. You should download both of them and note exactly where they are, where the software. After the download of this software, you should set up, and I have it already set up. Then I will search for it here, VPN. Okay, then I will choose to open VPN client. Yeah, just a normal open. Okay, here I have already the imported it, but for the purpose of this video I should delete it and then make another import. Okay, should browse to where exactly the configuration data is. I put it under my Cisco Systems VPN client, and of course this is under the program files. I will open the VPN. Okay, it is imported. I should import as well the WLAN. Both of them are imported. Let's see what kind of data is inside. Modify. I have the connection entry, and they have some description, the host of the University of Bonn, the group authentication password, and another password that is already provided by them. This group authentication, most of us will use this one, Uni Bonn VPN. But if you are using it from the university hospital, Uniklinik, or from the student dorms, Studentenwohnheim, you should change accordingly. I can show you how to do that. Okay, it's here. Yeah, so instead of Uni Bonn minus VPN, you should enter something else called Bonnet Uniklinik. This is for the university hospital, or Bonnet Studentenwohnheim, Studentenwerk. If you are connecting from student's dorm or so. Okay, go back here. I will not connect now. I just want to show you something small. Go back, open one website, let's say Science Direct. Science Direct is a big portal for accessing journals and so. So I will write very simple keyword, carbon. When I enter, I'm logged in. No, I am not logged in any way, so it will ask me, would you like to purchase this paper or not? I don't want to purchase it, but I want to see whether I can take it for free from the University of Bonn. Then first I need to connect as if I am in the University of Bonn. Now I am at home. Just double click. It will prompt for a username and password. I will use my email username and password. Say OK. Down here it's making the secure connection. I can make sure that I am already connected from down here, and I will see that the VPN client is stating that it is connected, like a locked key or lock. If I make a refresh here, it might take a little bit of time to log in to the Science Direct as if I am at the University of Bonn, because now I don't have the IP from my own server, which I am, for example, getting internet from O2, my provider. Then they will provide me with the IP address. But in this case, because I am connected to the university in a secure connection through the VPN, then I have a different connection. I have an IP, or I have a different IP. I have the IP of the University of Bonn itself. Okay, then here they didn't ask me anymore to enter the to purchase or not, because I am supposedly inside the University of Bonn, and any journal that is subscribed by the University of Bonn I can take it, otherwise I cannot. So, but they will not ask me to purchase anymore. Okay, here for example, hierarchical marginal land assessment and land use planning. If it's green, I can download it. I can download it if I'm in China, I can download it if I'm in Egypt or any other country, as well as, of course, if I'm in Germany, outside the university library. Are there any other uses of this VPN? Yes, it has some other that if you are in a place, and let's say in another country, and you want to access the internet, some critical websites, you want to write something that you don't want other people to see, to write your own thoughts, or some social network, for example, and you are afraid that some other people might be reading what you are doing, or see what you are doing. If you connect through a VPN, they will not be able to do that, because you have some kind of a tunnel that nobody can enter between you and the University of Bonn. So your internet provider at this country cannot see what you are doing. Let's imagine there is a dictator or so, like in Syria, and he is watching all the time the internet that you are. What are you doing with the internet? If you connect to the University of Bonn, he will not be able to see which websites you are logged in. He will only see that you are logged into the University of Bonn. That's it. If you are in China, for example, the Facebook is not allowed. If you are using the VPN, China will see you are connected to the University of Bonn, but you can go through the University of Bonn to Facebook and open it like any other user and do whatever you want. So, as I said, now three main purposes if you want to for using the VPN client. Of course, you have to be a student at the University of Bonn or any other German university, and I think this is also applied for other universities in the world. First one is to be able to access the online resources, and the subscribed journals. Second one is to have your own privacy from your internet provider. The third one is to be able to access websites that are locked or are prohibited in your country, like Facebook in China. I hope that I will be making soon, inshallah, some more videos about the GIS, but let's see. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you very much. Oh, that's something else. Stop.